Have you ever wondered how the cash you use every day is made? The process of printing money is a fascinating one, involving intricate machinery, specialized inks, and even hidden watermarks that can only be seen under special circumstances. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes to show you how modern money printing machines work and reveal the secrets of their design. Whether you're a curious individual or a business owner looking for ways to improve your cash flow, this video is sure to leave you informed and inspired. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of money printing. Now, when it comes to printing money, there are several different methods that can be used depending on the type of currency and the equipment available. One of the most common methods used by commercial printers is intaglio printing. This method involves using a roller with an engraved design to transfer ink onto a substrate such as paper or metal. The roller is engraved with the image or design that will be printed on the currency, and the ink is applied to the roller using a series of brushes. As the roller rotates, the engraved design is transferred onto the substrate, creating a raised effect that is characteristic of many banknotes. Another popular method used in modern money printing machines is offset lithography. This method is commonly used for high-volume printing and involves using plates to transfer an image onto a substrate. The image is first created on a lithographic plate, which is then inked. A rubber blanket covers the plate and transfers the image onto the substrate. This method allows for high-quality, high-volume printing and is often used for large-scale projects such as printing money. But what exactly happens to the old banknotes once they have served their purpose? The answer may surprise you. Instead of being discarded, the old banknotes are actually shredded and recycled. The process of recycling banknotes is a carefully controlled one that ensures the security of the currency. The shredded banknotes are melted down and turned into new bills, meaning that it is possible to have a brand new $20 bill made from the same materials as an old one. This helps to reduce waste and conserve resources while also ensuring the integrity of the currency supply. One of the most interesting aspects of modern money printing machines is the use of specialized inks. These inks are not only used to create the images and text on the currency, but also serve important security functions. For example, some inks are designed to be visible only under ultraviolet light, while others change color depending on the angle of the light. These features help to prevent counterfeiting and ensure the authenticity of the currency. The machinery used in modern money printing plants is another area of fascination. The presses used to print banknotes are massive and intricate, involving a complex series of rollers, plates, and other components to produce high-quality, precise images. These machines are operated by skilled technicians who must maintain the equipment to ensure the smooth production of currency. But what if you could get your hands on one of these money printing machines for your own use? Imagine the possibilities for producing high-quality documents, artwork, or even your own custom currency. While it may seem like a far-fetched idea, it is actually possible to purchase machines that are similar to those used in industrial money printing. These machines may not be able to produce the exact same level of quality as those used in government facilities, but they can still produce impressive results that are sure to impress. So if you've always dreamed of owning your own money printing machine, it may be closer to reality than you think. If you're a business owner or an individual looking to boost your cash flow, then the opportunity to own a money printing machine could be just what you need. These machines can produce high-quality, custom-printed items such as posters, stickers, and decals, which can be used for marketing materials, promotional items, or even personal projects. With a money printing machine, you can say goodbye to expensive printing costs and hello to endless creative possibilities. In conclusion, the process of printing money is a fascinating one that involves advanced machinery, specialized inks, and a team of skilled professionals. From the initial design and engraving of the currency to its eventual distribution, each step is carefully controlled to ensure the production of high-quality, secure banknotes. And while it may not be possible to own a real money printing machine, there are still options available for those looking to produce high-quality printed items. So if you're ever stuck on how to make some extra cash, remember the power of print and consider investing in a money printing machine. It could be the best financial decision you make all year. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe for more informative content like this. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.